And if you don't know what we're doing, you're in for a surprise. We finally just made it to the actual park, but yeah, we're pulling this thing all the way from freaking home. Dog's in here, and Jacob's back here making sure it don't flip all the way backwards like it done the last 2 times. But yeah, y'all finna see something great. If he breaks his arm, just send him letters. He agreed to this. I didn't force him.
Yep.
So
I signed a contract.
He's doing it for y'all guys.
Yeah.
No protection at all. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna try to push him off of.
Oh, for the young viewers out there, don't try this at home.
What's up, guys? So I know you can't really see me, you're on a tripod, but yeah, we got Andy. We're here. Jacob walking the dog. So come here, Jacob. That's a little brother. 3 generations. Hey, Dexter, come here.
Wait a minute, if it's the 3-way generator.
In a minute.
Got it.
Alright, so yeah, we're about to do it. Alright, let's fail 1. Yeah! What y'all think that was? An epic fail or what?
Let's go. I'm ready for this now. Let's go. I'm gonna fucking die, but it's okay.
What's the
Alright, let's show them the one up here. Alright, so we got a, I don't know how big this is, but we got a plank of wood here to cover up this hole. So this is my seat. It's not very comfortable, not very stable. Steering's really fucked, really bad, really off, but it'll do. We got a hood. Not using the hood. It's cool. Let me show you the sexy ass of the truck. Yep. Full on real plastic, flimsy plastic at that.
I will try.
Let's do this.
Alright. See y'all in a second. We're about to get down for it, guys. James is strapping his phone up so it don't fall, so we can get like a inside view of the car after we do it. Got the dog running around crazy. Yeah, he's happy. We're gonna probably get him off this hit, so alright, I'll see y'all when we get ready to jump off. Alright, so we're going, try to make sure you see us. Alright, we're gonna get ready to push him. He might actually fly on this, guys.
Let's not try to fly on this though.
So you got the little brother on the camera, so back
All right,
camera skills.
Here we are. First person. Oh god.
Alright guys, that was not that good.
Yeah.
He's in for a treat. He's in for a freaking treat.
Got it.
Alright guys, let's go up this hill. Let's go off the steps.
Holy crap. This is
Y'all
good.
ready?
Yeah, people. This is gonna be hard. This is gonna be so awesome. I hope I went to his phone and wait, you go. Hey, whoa, that's so awesome.
End it, cut it.
Recorded.
Alright, hold it. Cam.
Alright guys, here we go. Let's go.
Recorded.
Let's see what happens, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, say! You got the other one rolling?
I'm not ready for this at all.
Yeah. Let's see what happens, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, say! No epic fail.
Let's go.
Alright, now it's time for the big guns. Get up at the
Recorded.
what we're gonna do is we're starting from the bottom and we're just gonna launch it off the top. So
I'll see now the camera.
wish me luck.
Alright,
Let's go.
Jacob, watch.
Alright, we so made that. We so made it through that. So
How'd you feel about that?
I felt pretty great about that actually. Alright.
Alright.
See you guys on the
Are you
next one.
peeing?
That was the best one right there.
Oh
my god, that was like a stare down the crib.
So that was awesome. So here's the moment of truth. I really think I'm gonna get hurt on this one. Toward it that way, so that way I don't hit that tree.
You're not going to hit the tree.
I'm gonna hit that tree. Yeah, straighten up these tires. You gotta actually straighten them, like hold them with your hands and put them together. All right, guys.
You got it?
Not ready.
Yeah.
Hold up.
3,
Let's do this.
2, 1. It did, yeah! Oh,
All right. So
dude, that was perfect.
that was awesome.
that
was
perfect.
fucking
You
awesome.
started drifting everything.
Let's go.
Hey, that's like Kings Island, bro. He'd be like 3, 2, 1, and then you fucking take off.
All right, you guys. So we're going down
3,
the narrow drop.
3, 2. It's gonna be a hard
Just
one.
be easy. Just
1.
Yeah. There we go.
Hey, that's like Kings Island, bro.
That hurt my legs a little bit,
It'd
but
be like 3, 2,
let's
1,
go.
and then you fucking take off. Alright, guys, so we thought it was gonna be way better. I thought he was actually gonna break some bones, but that was kind of a letdown. I mean, he flipped over like 2 times, so I mean,
it was fun though. I'd so do it again.
yeah,
I really would.
it was like 3 hours worth of stuff, and it was only like 10-minute video. You'll see how that is. Shit, I wish it went like that.
It'll be alright. We'll get some better ones.
Yeah, so what do you want to tell him?
I don't know. I'm in a lot of pain. The shower felt nice though. We'll say that.
Oh, we need some name suggestions too. We were gonna change anime to something else. So just let us know below. I'll see y'all soon. Peace out.